Okay, here we go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here at Creative Styles, we are demonstrating our latest interlocking technique, where we're interlocking the hair in the braid, pretty much crocheting. That's what we used to say back in the day, but today's new term is interlocking. And as you can see, she's double knotting it for extra security so it doesn't slide out. And she's going to do this all over her head, except for right here. You'll be able to see these braids and just have the hair on the sides.
Then come back to see the end results. I was gonna say, can I scream like I'm in pain or something? Give it some like.
No, don't you be dramatic. If y'all hear us talking in the background, because we're trying to be professional. This is our first time trying out the new camera, so that's why you need to come to Creative Styles, because we do professional quality work and we have fun. And this is our braider Ebony, bringing this style to life. And when we get done, this is what it's gonna look like. So stay tuned.